In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a picture into a circle in Google Slides. This quick design trick is perfect for making your slides look clean, modern, and consistent, especially when you're working with profile photos or icons. Start by opening the Google Slides presentation that already contains the picture you want to change. Once your presentation is open, click directly on the image so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see handles around the edges. If you accidentally click a text box or another element, just click the image again to make sure it's highlighted. With the image selected, look up to the toolbar at the top and find the crop image icon. It looks like a small cropping frame. If you don't see it, make sure your image is still selected. Right next to that crop icon, click the small arrow to open the mask image options. This is where you can instantly change the silhouette of your picture without permanently altering the original. From the menu that appears, choose Shapes, then click the circle shape. As soon as you select it, Google Slides will apply a circular mask to your picture automatically. You'll see your image neatly cropped into a circle, which already gives it a more polished look. Now let's fine tune it. To resize the circular image, drag any of the corner handles. Corners help you keep the proportions even so the circle stays perfectly round. If the part of the photo you want isn't centered, you can reposition the image inside the circle. Double-click the circular photo, and you'll see the image boundaries inside the mask. Click and drag the image to center the subject, then press Enter or click outside to set it. If you want to add a bit more style, explore the formatting tools. With the circular image selected, open Format options to add a subtle drop shadow, adjust brightness and contrast, or quickly recolor the photo to match your theme. Small tweaks here can make your circle image stand out without distracting from your content. And that's all there is to it. Your picture is now a clean, circular image in Google Slides, which helps your presentation feel more cohesive and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Slides tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.